Hello everybody and welcome back to the Sega YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a simple whitelist name script for your roleplay game or just your game in general. So first we're just going to insert a script in the server script service. I've already done that, so we'll get started. Um, we're going to want to make a variable called local admin ID, and then you can just paste your Roblox ID in there. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to make it possible for you to run commands in your game to whitelist and unwhitelist players. I'll also probably expand on this, maybe making like a admin panel video, but for now we're just going to do that. And then we're going to want Roblox's data store, so we're going to go local data store equals game get service data store service. And then we're going sorry about that, a little sick. We're going to then get our whitelist database. So it would be data store, get data store, and then you can call it whatever, whitelist or whitelist 2 or something like that. If you have something already, like if you already have a data store, I wouldn't recommend using it because it could possibly like mess it up, like if you already have money or something. So I just wouldn't do that, but just make a different data store if you do. But I don't have any in this game, so I'm just gonna do just a whitelist data store. Alright, so once that's done, we're gonna listen for new players joining. So game.players.player added connect function player. And we're gonna open this function up. So of course we're gonna want to check if player dot user ID equals admin ID then. So that's basically, I gotta turn that off somehow. So that's basically gonna check if your user ID is the admins, if the player's user ID is the admins, and then if it is, it will give you the choice to run commands and stuff like that. So then we're gonna go back in here and we're gonna do local command. Oh wait, no, sorry, I apologize. Player dot chatted connect function message. So you can call this. I actually it might be a little sensitive, so I would just go MSG. But so basically we're also listening for a function. If the player chatted, then we're listening for an event. If the player chatted, we're gonna start a function. So you'll see local command equals string dot split MSG and then that. And then if command 1 equals slash whitelist then. So what we're doing here is we're gonna split the message by by a space. So basically, we're like whenever the admin is messaging, it's gonna look for a command like slash whitelist, or I mean when we make it slash slash unwhitelist, and then it will do a function that I'm gonna show you right now. So for us it would be whitelisting a player, but then I'll probably make like slash like ban a player from a game, or slash like kick, or like slash I don't know, like warn or size or speed, something like that in a couple videos. Alright, so then we're gonna do local username equals command 2. So that's just getting the username from the command because it takes 2 arguments. So it would be whitelist space, Billy XT, as you know. And then we're gonna do local user ID equals game dot players get user ID from name async, and then username. And then we're going to do whitelist, set async, user ID, true. So this is to whitelist a player. We're just gonna make a new record if there is none, or just set their new record to true, and uh, then they'll be good. They'll be able to join the game. And then we got to do end if command one equals equals slash un unwhitelist. Then so we're just listening for the same thing. Oop, I'm not trying to show that. We're gonna do basically the same thing as we did for the whitelist. So local username equals command 2, local user ID equals game dot players get user ID from name async, and then username. Okay, so then we're gonna do whitelist set async user user ID false. So that's just gonna set their whitelist to false, so they can't join the game. Then uh, we're gonna do a pcall function to see if they're in the game. So we're gonna do local success, comma kick equals pcall function game dot players get player by user ID, and then user ID, and then kick you are not whitelisted. Okay, so basically that's basically it for the admin commands. So we'll just put that down. Oop, we're not. Never mind. Uh, and then we'll do another pcall function. So we'll do local success, comma whitelist status equals pcall function. What the hell was that? Function. Then we're gonna open this, and then if whitelist get async player dot user ID equals equals false, or whitelist get async player dot user ID equals equals nil, then. So basically, this will be whenever the player is joining, it's gonna check if their user ID, if they already have a record in the database, and it's false, or the whitelist does not have a record for them, which is what we're doing with nil. It's gonna kick them. So then we're gonna do player kick you are not whitelisted. And then after that, we're gonna do so actually we're just gonna make sure that if this fails, we have a backup for it. So this is really it. This is what's gonna actually check your whitelist and really kick people out if they're not whitelisted. This is what you really want. The admin stuff is something else, but I mean it's definitely useful and you definitely need it. But this is like the main stuff you need. Okay. So then, if not success, then player kick. You are not whitelisted, or there was an error. Okay, so I'm pretty sure in this game I'm already whitelisted, and it actually doesn't matter because if you're an admin, you don't even get checked for your whitelist. But I'm gonna go then on my phone, and I'll show you what it will look like. So I'll see you there. Okay, so now we've got my alt account in. I'm just gonna jump a little. So now don't mind the name. So I already, if you can look in the chat logs, I actually already had a whitelist him. I didn't have it on screen, but I'll start recording on my phone now. It was working already. When it tried to join before I whitelisted it, it already got kicked. So let's just run the unwhitelist command. So we'll do unwhitelist sigma baby gronk 225, and then you'll see he gets kicked, and then he's gonna leave. He's gonna try and join again. He can't, and I'm just gonna whitelist sigma baby gronk 225, and he can join now. And then let's say he leaves the game, but he did something bad that we don't like. We can do /unwhitelist sigma baby gronk 225 and just not let him be able to join again. See? Alright. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope this helped you guys out a lot. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe and like the video and comment suggestions for me to do. I'll probably start uploading more and like more tutorials, and I'll also start uploading. I'll probably do an admin panel series if you guys are into that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and